So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to get 1000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. See, this is not capping. This works like magic. Before I proceed, see this here. How many subscribers are you seeing? See this here. How many subscribers are you seeing? See this here. How many subscribers are you seeing? See this here. How many are you seeing? So I know what I'm saying. What I'm telling you is not theory. It's not that I just want to say. It's something that has happened to me out of experience. Is what I'm going to be telling you. But for disclaimer purpose, oh, if you get these subscribers, most likely they would not follow you on your long form video, because what they saw is what grabbed their attention and it's not what you are doing. But if this is what you will be doing every day, you'll be getting subscribers, like you just see subscribers coming into you because this is what they want and it's what you are doing. So for disclaimer purpose, but if it's something you want to get in less than 24 hours, that's why I'm giving you this method. So all you need to do is to watch this video to the end so you'll be able to get the details of it all. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Vibe with Deborah, your number one coach. I give you 2 tips that will help you grow your channel from 0 to 100. And if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops out. This method, it is short. Most of you use the short the wrong way. That is why you're not getting subscribers. Some of you will say, I have tried it, Jerry. I watched one video like that. It did not work for me. Hold on. I'm going to tell you the method that you're going to use. If you promise to use this method the right way, definitely you'll be getting subscribers. This method is categorized in 3. 1, short. 2, you must collab. The last one, you must use a trending sound. Without wasting much of your time, let's head to my studio where I will show you the magic. Ngwanu, let's go. Welcome to my studio. So we are in the short. This is my page now for my short, but we are going to go to the short feed. The short feed is going to show you different kind of short videos that are trendy that you are going to look for. If you want to search for it, you can search for it, but I prefer you to just go on your short feed and start scrolling so that you will see the one that is trending. How will you know a one that is trending? If you look at this place now, you will see this circle where they say 81k. That means a lot of 81 creators have used this sound, and meanwhile they are using this sound, that means this sound is trending. There are some that you will even see 200, or you will see 10, or you will see 50. You can even see 500k. That means a lot of creators are using it. That means it is going viral. So if you jump on it, you'll go viral. Let me just show you an example now. Look at this one now. It was done 23 hours ago and it has gotten 21 subscribers. It's still counting. So now what we are going to do, we are going to go to the short feed. So we are going to go to the short feed. That's what we are going to do. We are going to go to short feed to look for a viral. Yesterday you told me that I was back. So now look at this one. It's having 31k views now. I mean 31. This one is having 35k users that a lot of people have used on it. Then what you have to do now, you have to come to this place. If it's something that is right, you have to click on this circle. You are going to see use this sound. If you want to use this sound only for yourself, if you want to collab, now collab is the secret. Now because this person already has maybe follower or people who are going to be more interested, so you collab with this person and do this video, and definitely you will get views from it. You will use it and you will do this video. So now watch how I'm going to do this video now. Yesterday you just click on it. When you do that, you click on it, it will come to this place. You can see now. So we are going to just do your video normally, just talk, and you can just be like, you told me that I was better than half the guys on your team. I never said that. What are you talking about? So now I am not going to post this. Normally you can rehearse what the person is saying so that you guys can go in sequence, but by the time you are done, you post it. By the time you post it, when you are done, you click this place. You click on this place, then there are some captions here that is okay, funny, POV, acting, and every other thing. Then you post. I will advise you to do like 4 videos that day of different types. Do 4 videos of that shot that day. So definitely you are going to get, like if you are getting 20k 40k. But please take note of this place that I said. This place that I said. Am I going back? This place here, take note of this circle here, where you will have a lot of it. Let's say on 8,800 creators have used this. It may likely trend, it may not trend. Did you have a good day? Then look at this one. This one, if I do this one, I'm always getting subscribers views. So look at this something now, 158k creators that have used this sound. So if you want to now use this, you can now click on this place, you press collab, and did you have a good day? Yeah. No. I use the video. So now this is what I'm going to do, like this. Did you have a good day? Yeah. No, so shut up. A good day? Yes. No, shut up. You're supposed to have taken him to the spa. I took him to the spa. He put me in the vegetable steamer. It's funny, right? But this is how you're going to get your subscribers from your video, and you meet up to your 1,000 subscribers. There are so many ways to do it, but this is like the fastest way and the quickest way. Collab. Don't just do your own video. Collab with somebody to have your own, so that you'll be able to trend faster and get subscribers. So that's just the tip for this. If you learn anything, say thank you in the comment section, and if it worked for you, please come back and testify. Bye.